Hey guys, today, oh not today, a few weeks ago, I got this, Sears full-size VHS camcorder, Sears VHS movie. Now let me show you the inside, and here's the bottom, as you can see, Sears, and here's the cover. I just took off the screws. I took off those two screws. And I think this camcorder was made by Hitachi or Zenith, so I'm not sure. I know it might be one of those two brands because I've seen camcorders like this before. I think it was made by Zenith. And as you can see, the mic, the original mic, is getting all worn out. Stuff comes off real easily now. Sadly, I'm not able to show you the, hold on, unless if I can, I don't have like the stuff to connect to the TV, which is pretty unfortunate. So I'm gonna you're not gonna see the entire mechanism, but you can see most of it. And how it loads is it's really cool. It takes the tape way in there, unlike regular VHS machines. So now let's insert a cassette. There's no speaker, which kind of sucks, unless if I have headphones or something. So, let's turn it on. You can see it turns on. Here is the blue screen. So, now, no display. Nope. So, now it's on VCR mode, not camera mode. And, now let's press the eject button. There's something making a noise to eject. I don't know if it's a motor or a gear. Well, Mr. Magnetoscope thinks it's a gear, but I think it's maybe some sort of motor that you control that is not electrical. Here is the loading motor. You can't see it, but you can see the belts with that pulley. It's like way under there. Let's take a look inside. I think that's a I don't know if that's an idler motor, or it could be the ejecting motor, or it could be, it's not the loading motor. So here's the capstan, which is was really dirty, and I cleaned it, but it does keep coming back. And you can see the video head. It's really small. And I'm really surprised that it has 4 heads. I thought this had 2 for some reason, because it's a really old camcorder. And I think this camcorder was made in somewhere in the late 80s or 1990. So, let's insert a tape. The tape doesn't load instantly, so I'm gonna have to press play and watch how it loads. Really interesting. As you can see, the tape goes all the way around the heads, which I find pretty interesting. Now let's press stop. It unloads the tape. What else is interesting is watch the audio head or the tracking head. It moves too, which is really unreal. The loading mechanism is pretty noisy. Controller. It operates like a regular pinch roller. Now, let's press fast forward. That is the slowest fast forward I have ever seen. It'll take like 10 or 20, 10 to 15 minutes for it to reach to the end or something. Or half hour, I don't know. But there's no way I'm fast forwarding the tape with this unit. Okay, stop. Rewind. I just thought. Okay. Stop. And eject. Watch me. I'm gonna have a fast forward for me. Yeah. Oops. Let's try that again. Now let's look at the eyelets. Let's look at the eyelet mechanism, shall we? Alright. Everything is like mostly gear driven with the eyelets. There's no tire or anything. But soon, today, at some point, I'm going to review this RCA VCR I just got from Sears today. Made by Daewoo. I'll review that later. So, when I went to Sears, wait a minute, yeah, I saw some other interesting VCRs. I saw an NEC that I saw a Fisher that I really wanted to get, but the eyelet tire was so worn out, and I don't know, and there's no way to fix it. And I found believe it or not, I found a Sony VCR that with the same mechanism as the Sony SLV 575 UC I used to have, but I didn't get it, sadly. I would have if it was working right, or if it wasn't $15 friggin'. Yup, it was $15. No way I was spending $15 for a VCR, except if it was on Amazon. So, I would have got it. I was pretty pissed. In the tape, there was a tape that was severely stuck in there. I couldn't even get it out with my usual techniques. So, yeah. And I ended up with this RCA because it had a pretty interesting mechanism. As you remember the Daewoo VCR I used to have? Well, it has that mechanism with some differences. So, I'll review that later once again. And let's show you the picture quality. I sadly cannot hook it up to the TV because I don't have the right equipment for it. Well, I can do this though. Okay, I hope you can see through the screen fine. Okay, let's press play. The picture is not good because even if I adjust the tracking, it's not good. The picture's all in black and white, and I don't think it can play LP record tapes. And I tried to clean the heads, and that wasn't the problem. Let's try a different tape. Let me just hold on. Let's try something else. Let's try, let's try this one. Because I don't think I recorded that in LP. Again, the picture is not good. I think this camera is worn out and it does not work pretty well. You can't really see the screen, but I can tell you that it's not good at all. No, it's not good. So now before I hold on, I'm gonna rewind this first.